Agawai di bat kinong ni kman. Tadi keju ni kene ke kompersat kata. La shisha nagaliang gedungi kum ki nongelam ko sen kongres. Abang yo so ni gat kubor ni so kedit adu kata. Bat ba ni pun berkat bagi berlok di bani juga trelang. Naga bertagi isu di babon lembaga Indian National Congress. Kapal ai ki platform ia ki babun ki leader sepo ke jela ke jungi. Dan re ngimdo ni menong halor jong kene ke jing letno jong ki parlok MLA ki jungi. Senior leaders ban penyeso sekiwi ban ki political party. Dan re nakaliang ke jongai. Sine nasmo ba ngidon kanong rim ban yeng ban tre. Abang ijob nagaseng kongres. Ini abang kaseng kongres. Manginang yaya pun hero nagaseng kongres. Bat pangingi scam. Bagi pat ba agabun jong gat hamri boy. Bai ke jumi. Ken so thu iya kani. Bat nagalian ke jonga ngadon tang ban all the best. The best wishes nagomenta ki perlok jongi ki balik ban yeso sa ki bai pat ki political party. Mar bahaba put jo kesengi ke kamram jongi ki dong nikmat. Tolong bing hapan syakri yo pat ba. Bat pakai jubah ke bang hamsyai. Lada ki pat ba ki pediang em ya kani ka sinjam ke begini perlok election ho arga kulai kan sa keren bakin sayo. Tapi tu jubah ha ke bat pat ba kin sa jubah ha ka tak.
Te kumbare boy district lu ladan no way na malable kan iso tu. Kai fi don beno ladan kene.
I ba George tu go ba long sen men para perlok boy janti. Kendai kumolong ifi bene akan sapat ba ni long lain duit bangin jit ya kano political party. Penyeso ber kano political party. Amdon i beno nagaliang jong i wish all the best. Tri bahana kumta pat ba jong constituency jong district jong jelah goro koi marbo jing community jong pat ba i kulong ha menteri maha kano ka kam ngabangidon irrespective of party affiliation ngabangidon. Kapukongsan kalau ha menteri pat ba ang bun job yang ini karena kalian jong ngai ini wish all the best nam tayo. Kijing room jong leaders lagi political party sa kuipat don pun kidau. Don sibun kidau aga politics. Kijing kelagi don sibun. Agi por ki beladet ngalai kila don sibun di hukum kini defection emerging batunda TPS lagi political party. Wat aswa jong election arhajar khatra. Kidon sibun ki perlok na kaseng kongres ki bala mi la resign bat penyeso sa ki ki political party. Ag dugo por ki nong yalam jogo party di ki we. Dementa bangin keno ba de nong yalam kata ngamdon i bano halor kata. De gadi gajing snow yung ki shimet bagila snow day ban mi ban serve ya ka state nung baki we ki political party. Kinong like do ya katamdon mano wala man khang. Bat ba kata gadi gadaw ko kongsan na gajing i ki kum ki pat ba jong Riboy district ki bala ju shania ya ka parti kongres ka jung na sungo ban kerpat na ba sungo ri ba ni ki nong nikmat ki badang yaidon yaine ka sen kongres ni yaidon hasanda abat pi na ka banta bantre ya ki issue ki babut lagi di kam border lagi di kam yo jam lagi di kam hakaroi ka par lagi di ki babun ki issue ki bakum ka district ni don kam ban yakun nang ni sekmat ka sen kongres ka dan hasanda na kamentaban yukun ya isu ki ba ba ni ya kendu na do di kiudor di marbam di kiudor di kumpiang ban yui di isu ki babun ban kum kaseng ni in nang ye kerpa di para nong sang chinong apo ka Riboy district bakin sawha ban yaine ki party workers ki jumi ki nong kersan ki jumi ki juran barbor ngimde ben red ben sim ni nang don hasnda na kenta ban tre yang ba jong sen kongres agini por ki banwan ban ni scam ki por ibarit bakum kinong nikmat nginon na sempre boy ngi scam mangin la ban pun urlong ya kijing angdut ki jung pat ba ban lengba jong kani keseng ila ban tre kam ki babun ban gida kerpat ki pat ba kim dei ban red ban sim ngi nginon hasenda ban yipun ki isu bat ngi scam warja kulai kindon sibun ki jing kala aga ban pat ba kin sajuba bakin ay ka bainong yani ba happened last night with regards to the leaving away of our honorable MLAs and senior leaders from the Congress Party. On behalf of the Riboy District Congress Party and on behalf of my colleague who are still there in the Indian National Congress, I have nothing to say against them. In a vibrant democracy, everybody has every right to join hand with any political party. Be it an electorate, be it an elected representative, mandated as per the purview of law within the 10th schedule of the Constitution, merging from one party to another. It depends on the issue that the particular person themselves they found that that there is a better platform than the Indian National Congress. I have nothing to say against them or anything, but I have to say that as far as my knowledge is concerned, that the people of the state they want change, and the people of the state they want to be with the Congress party. Leaders comes and goes, but party remains. That's why the principle of the Congress party, which has been there since its inception in 1885, we are still fighting for the cause of the people. As an elected representative of the Indian National Congress, I felt that this is a better platform that we have to perform, and I hope that we will do well in 2023. And at the same time, I want to wish all the best for our fellow colleague, honorable MLAs, the former Chief Minister, Dr. Mukul Sangma, and the other senior leader who are leaving the Congress party. I wish them all the best so that they can serve the people of the state. At the end of the day, as an elected representative, it is our duty to serve the people of the state. Winning election, losing election, the people will decide. They will give their mandate in the general election of 2023.